Okay, Google. Hi. Today we're gonna show you my world coins collection. So let's start with my European coins. Sorry about that. So I have a Dutch coin. Can't see. Right. Hold on. So you can see it. Sorry, guys. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. I can't see. Oh, I forgot voice. Which of you started? That's my Dutch coin. This is a Greek coin from Greece. This is a dollar coin. It's from the USA. And I put that in my world coin collection because they also use these in Ecuador. Wait, it has advantage on it. So use this. Oh, this is a lovely dollar coin. What's this? 10 agarot from Israel. 5 shekel. A pound from the UK. Another 5 shekel. That's not a real. That's not a real coin. That's not a. Another pound. What is this? 50 euro cents. The real coin from Israel. It's the real coin from Israel, and it has a hole in it because these were used back then because there was no telephone. What is that? Another pound. Two shekels. What is this? What is this? Oh, 5 euro cents. Oh, 25 Dutch cents, I think. What is this? 50 euro cents? Yeah, 50 euro cents. 10 pence from probably. Yes, this has to be from the UK. Ah, did not go up. A pound? I have a lot of pounds. Ooh. It's a Canadian coin. Yeah. What is this? 20 euro cents. 5 shekel again. 1 shekel. What is this? 20 euro cents again. What is it? That's 1 agara. What's this? 50 euro cents. The 1 agara. Oh, 1 shekel. That's 1 shekel. This is 5 pence. It has a tiny coin. Let me see that. That's the 1 shekel. 20. Oh, another Greek coin. No, it's 20 euro cents. What is it? Let's see. So 1 shekel. No, it's 5 pence. 1 shekel, 1 shekel. 10 cents? No, 10 what cents? 10 Dutch cents.
This is the last one.
Shekel. This is part 1. I promise we'll make a part 2. And because we're gonna get some more from my grandfather, which has a lot of more world coins from all around the world. So, see you next time. Bye. And subscribe.
Bye.